What's going on, guys? Just a little information before the video. The first half of this video, me and my dad were driving around. We finally caught a tom strutting in this field. I hung back and dropped my dad off. He went off to try to call this tom in. They're not gobbling. They're really not coming into calling. He was with like 7 or 8 hens, so my dad had to crawl to try to get close to this tom, and just watch what happens. As my dad moved closer to this tom, he unfortunately spooked the hen and she went running off. But he knew the tom was still going to be there strutting, so we tried to get close really fast to try to get a shot off.
Good morning. It is the 26th of April. It is a very windy day today. We're getting out pretty late today because it was so windy. There was no reason to get out. We're on this piece of private land that we got permission to hunt over here. We really don't know anything about this area, so we're just going to be walking and calling. They're not really strutting in fields or anything. They're staying in the woods, and they're not gobbling too much. So we may just be doing a lot of sitting and calling, but we're going to explore this area a little bit and see if we can strike a gobbler. Do you have your mouth call? What? Do you have your mouth call? Yeah. I wonder if she saw us. She came right in, dude. Try and calling. She saw us.
I don't know.
But she walked off. She's still clucking.
I never saw her.
She could have had a hen with them, but he's just not gobbling.
If not, I'm just gonna do some soft clucks.
Okay. So we were walking, we struck a gobbler. He's about 150, 200 yards away. It's really windy. We got a hard road and it's thick woods, and we got a big, long green field. It's geese.
I know.
You just don't know. Or there's that hard road that goes east and west up there.
Yeah.
He could be strutting with hens.
Yeah.
He sounded closer though than that.
I'm watching the road.
Got a shot right there.
I know.
He'd have to come. I think we got good cover though if he could go that far. Just probably gotta just sit for 10, 15 minutes and just see what happens. I Well, we sat there for a while. He never gobbled again, we never saw him. So he may be by this hard road just strutting on these fields. Looking at the OnX map, I can see kind of what it looks like, and it looks like there's a hard road over here. But it's mostly just thick wood, so we're gonna come to this woodland right here and try to hen call a little more. It's pretty windy, so it's really hard to gauge exactly where he's at, but he didn't sound very far. I don't know if I can get with the camera. There's a tom strutting right here in this mowed down field. Not sure how we're gonna get to him. He's a big tom. What do you think, man?
I'm trying to look and see which way the hen is going.
He's a big tom.
There he is.
It looks like they're headed north. Well, we're probably gonna have to crawl and try to find a way to get either in front of him or get closer to him and see if we can call him closer to us. He's right there. And just kind of figure out what to do. Dad, we should see this tree right here? Crawl straight to that tree. And then maybe we can get in that ditch, or at least try to find where he's going.
I think he's going into those woods right there.
You think so? He is right there strutting. A little ways away. He's about 200 yards. So you want to walk around and try to get in front of him?
I think we should go that way and go across, and we'll be in those woods and we'll be in line with them.
Hopefully they don't see us. Well, that sucked. Dad would sneak up on that tom, and that hen just slowly just took him away to the other side of the field and disappeared. It looked like he was going north, and then they just went northeast to the corner. My dad walking over here now. It's so hard to crawl through this thick stuff. It's impossible to get to him.